Founded in 2009, GuangDong SWITEK Technology Company Limited has been designated to the design and production of robots and automation of high efficiency but easy operating. With this commitment, SWITEK cooperated with global standard parts suppliers to build our supply chain and strictly follow up the regulation of ISO 9001. 2015 Quality Management System to produce a CE-compliant robot and automation system. With all these efforts, SWITEK Robot not only gained the reputation of stability and reliability, but also helped to reduce the maintenance costs. From the very beginning, SWITEK has been committed to design a market-oriented automation system. With this key principle, our automation solution for pipe fittings, IML containers, cutlery packing system, closures loading system, etc., had been installed in the workshops of the key suppliers to the world big names in these fields to help them reduce the labor cost and increase the production efficiency. Not only with quality products, SWITEK also has a well-trained after-service team of 19 experienced engineers who can not only provide our global clients of robot and automation system in field installation and maintenance, but also English online technical support with more than 10 years technical accumulation of both R&D and implementation in the field of injection automation. SWITEK service team is now able to provide our clients an efficient turnkey injection automation solution from consultation to implementation.